welcome back to another episode, guys. This one starts, we're pretty much come back from up where Sydney was, come back around. We didn't want to head through the cities, so yeah, we've come back around. Been in Port Lincoln for the last few days, cleaning up on squid, so we've done that. And now we've just cut up pretty much straight through the centre of South Australia. We're in a small town just after Cooper Pedy. You guys would have seen the clips of that rolling. And yeah, so we're just here at this roadhouse. I've got a little caravan stay thing over there, so we're going to stay there for the night. We just filled up, so we're leaving first thing tomorrow morning. Oh, one thing you guys have to check out, I don't know if you guys will be able to see on the GoPro, but it looks insane. Check out the moon. It's literally like just come up. It looks like it's on the ground. So cool. Anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, everybody. Just waking up. How's the sunset though? I mean sunrise. You can tell I just woke up. Yeah, look at that. Where do you get that? It's just insane. Anyways, there probably won't be too much filming because we'll be on the move, but we're about 6.5 hours from Uluru, so probably pull out the camera when we're there and show you guys. But for now, start the car and get a move on. Let's go. Geez, gotta really watch it out here. There's quite a few animals out here compared to when we were on the Nullarbor, but there's none around now. We just passed them, but there's a lot of cows that are on the sides. It's like whole herds of them. I don't think they like the GQ, it's noisy. So when I pass them, they almost like sort of turn around to run at it. So you got to be pretty careful. Keep your eyes on the lookout pretty much. Here we are, guys, officially in the Northern Territory. Too good. Let's keep moving. Alright guys, we just stopped to fuel up. The car's at Kulgera Pub, I believe it's pronounced. Probably pronouncing that wrong, sorry if I am. But I'm just going to give you guys a little bit of a walkthrough. I'll go in. They've got like an art gallery and the actual pub itself, which is pretty cool, so we'll go have a look and bring you guys with us. Check it out. Righty, so quarantine station's coming up, so I'm just gonna throw away the fruit. It's not allowed fruit, so I'm gonna organise that now. Mum and Dad are in their van. Shall go check I don't have any fruit, and then we'll pretty much straight back on the move. There it is. That looks so cool from here. So we're not going to be camping here. We're actually going to head back after we go see Uluru, because we got a big move up to the Northern Territory, like up top. Keen to do some fishing, but yeah, so you're not allowed to camp within the national parks. No pets, no fires, no drones, so I won't be getting a drone up for you guys, but I'll show you as much as like I can. And yeah, that's basically it. So keen to see it up close. From a distance it looked like really cool. So happy I'm seeing the red dirt again. Keen to be up north, or getting to north. Back in t-shirts and shorts, which is good. Here we are, guys, Uluru. In person, this thing is huge. I don't know how much the camera does it justice, but it would have been awesome to get the drone, but obviously they don't allow it, probably in case people crash it. But what a view. Look at that. I think they've got like a tour thing over there, so you can do like tours and stuff. I'm not gonna have time, we're gonna head off, but yeah, it's a pretty cool sight. I'd imagine winter would be pretty cool. You can see where the water's running off, all the crevices on the rock. But yeah, really cool. Alright, let's go. How good do the rigs look as well? I think we're passing through a booze bus. Alrighty, we just passed through Alice Springs, and just gotta check all the wheels on car and van, because we've done about probably 10,000 Ks, I reckon, since South Australia, so it's good to just give them a check. Also, since posting this person's missing, so if any of you have any news, call the police. And hopefully she's found safe. But yeah, we're gonna tighten up everything and keep moving, pushing towards Darwin. So another big drive today. At least the weather's good. Let's go. Alrighty, just pulled into a roadside stop, sort of at a roadhouse. So there's a few vans around. Got our vans here. It's at this place, I don't know how to pronounce it. Warramunga, I think. That's how you pronounce it. But yeah, just spending the night here, and then we got another, I think it's about 9 hours from here up to Darwin. Just exhausted from driving, probably tell on my face. Eyes. But basically been driving for like a week. 3 of those days have been 8 hours, and then the other 2 days have been 12.5 hours, so there's a lot. But yeah, I'm just gonna get set up and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Let's hope that it isn't too bad, but there's smoke ahead. You can see birds like circling, which usually means like birds of prey and scavengers, so it doesn't look like there's too much smoke, so it should be alright, hopefully. Back there, There's a lot of vegetation that was all burned, but yeah, it's all finished. I'll show you guys when we get closer. Not too sure if that's an actual burn off or if it's an actual bushfire. Looks like bushfire, like everything is burned. Smouldering and stuff. Like everything. Oh, we're slowing down. I think it might actually be actual bushfire. Just had to stop, pull over and show you guys. Starting to see a few bollard trees now around. We're not too much further from Kununurra, so I'll pull out the camera again when we're there if there's anything interesting. If there's not, then I'll just see you guys after we pull up for camp again. So yeah, we're gonna keep moving. Let's go. Alrighty guys, we're just at Halls Creek now. We just pulled into a caravan park for tonight. We're just gonna fill up the water tanks, have a nice shower and stuff. But this is the end of this episode, so if you haven't yet and you're new, hit the like button, leave a comment below if you want, and smash the subscribe button, helps me out a lot. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the next ep.